Hello everyone, this is Amit Arora from EcoVisioneer. From today we'll be starting with 10 most expected questions of political science class 12th. आज का चैप्टर हमारे लिए है, आज का यूनिट we have Cold War and NAM. Similarly, we'll be covering all the 6 chapters. These are the 10 most expected questions for your first term boards. Before we start with the questions, we will be seeing the syllabus given to us by CBSE. CBSE wants us to cover Cold War and NAM. In Cold War, they want to cover emergence of these two superpowers, bipolarity and non-aligned movement. एक दूसरा topic. So coming to question number 1, which is expected, is dominance of two superpowers. The dash and the dash was central to the Cold War. Cold War किन दो superpowers के बीच में हुई थी? Was it Soviet Union and USA, USA and UK, USA and France, or none of the above? Obviously, the chapter is based on this. So it is Soviet Union and United States of America. Question number 2. In which year the leaders of Union of Soviet Socialist Republic were worried that the US would invade communist-ruled Cuba? Of course, it will be very closer to this year, will be close to a Cuban Missile Crisis. So the answer is 1961. Coming to question number 3. Who decided to convert Cuba into Russian base? I think most of the students will know this. It was the Russian. It was someone from USSR who was the head that time. So that was Nikita Khrushchev. So that is the answer C. Coming to next question, we have Western Alliance किस आइडियोलॉजी को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? सोशलिज्म नेवर, कम्युनिज्म नो, मार्क्सिज्म नो. दे आर इनटू लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी एंड कैपिटलिज्म. तो अमेरिका रिप्रेजेंट करता है कैपिटलिज्म की आइडियोलॉजी. व्हेन इट कम्स टू यूएसएसआर और सोवियत यूनियन, द आंसर विल बी सोशलिज्म. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन स्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग एन इंटेंस फॉर्म ऑफ राइवलरी, इन दोनों के बीच की बहुत दुश्मनी थी. These two superpowers, this war always remained a cold war. It never turned into a hot war. किस लॉजिक की वजह से? लॉजिक ऑफ वॉर, लॉजिक ऑफ पीस, लॉजिक ऑफ डेटरेंस. Of course, logic of deterrence, because both of them knew that if they attack or if there's a hot war, both of them will have to incur huge losses, life or property. So they never attacked each other. So it always remained a cold war. Eastern Alliance, known as Dash, was led by Soviet Union. I think everybody knows that. It is Warsaw Pact. SEATO, CENTO, NATO were all US alliances, not Soviet Unions. So Warsaw Pact. Question number 7, very important. We'll have more questions like this in boards where we have to identify the incorrect statements. तो यहाँ पे है Cold War के बारे में कौन सी statement incorrect है? It was a competition between US and Soviet Union and their respective allies. True. It was not ideological war. True. It triggered arms race. True. And US and USA were engaged in direct wars. False. They never were engaged in direct wars. So D is the correct option. Which among the following statements does not reflect the objectives of NAM? इनमें से कौन सी statement NAM का objective नहीं बताती है? Enabling new decolonized countries to pursue independent policy बताती है. Not joining any military alliances बताती है उसका objective. Focus on elimination of global economic inequalities भी बताती है. Following a policy of neutrality, no. They never said कि NAM neutral हो जाएगा. It will not have its own opinion. These countries were actively involved in giving opinion on global issues and they were interfering in these issues. So that is the option is C. Coming to question number 9, which is AR question. Assertion reason. क्या R A का reason है, explanation है कि नहीं है? क्या दोनों true हैं? क्या उनमें से एक false है? देखते हैं क्या है. A. Assertion statement says the Western alliances was formalized into an organization called NATO, which came into existence in 1949. True. That is absolutely true. Eastern Alliance was led by Soviet Union and was created in 1955. Says R. R is also true, but students, of course, R is not the explanation of A. R कहीं से भी A को explain नहीं कर रहा है. So our option is B. So be very careful while answering AR questions. Coming to the last question, which we are expecting. India signed Treaty of Friendship in 1971 with which country? Britain, US, USSR, or France? You all know we were very close to USSR, although we were part of NAM, but we were very close to USSR. So the country is USSR. Students, we also have two more questions for you, which you can take as extra questions, and you can also answer these questions. I'm not giving you the answer. So please write your answer in the comment section. तो वहां पे कमेंट सेक्शन पे लिखिए और हो सके तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस चैनल को एंड ट्राई टू शेयर विद अदर्स. मार्शल प्लान वाज द रिकंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ईस्टर्न यूरोप, वेस्टर्न यूरोप, ईस्टर्न एशिया और वेस्टर्न एशिया. And write your answer in the comment section. Coming to the last extra question, identify the wrong combination. 1962 में क्यूबन मिसाइल क्राइसिस हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था? पाकिस्तान वॉर्सो पैक्ट का मेंबर है कि नहीं है? अब्दुल नासर नैम का फाउंडर मेंबर था कि नहीं है? और क्या यूएसएसआर ने हमारे साथ ट्रीटी ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप साइन की थी कि नहीं है? सो राइट योर रॉन्ग कॉम्बिनेशन और द आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Teachers, we have a very good program for you. There is Teachers Assistant Program. This is an annual program, annual membership program, where we'll be providing you all the study material which we make with our subject experts. They make a very good study material and which is very competitive. So we'll be giving you all these things, and we'll also, and in addition to this, we'll be also giving you free e-Olympiad for your 10 students and other things also which are clearly given on the screen. These are the subjects which we are covering: economics, BST, Pol Science, and class 10 social science. For teachers, for annual membership, you can contact the number given below. And students, for you, we have our EcoVisioner app, which is free of cost. You can practice all the tests coming in your first term chapters. So you can all go there and download this EcoVisioner app and practice your tests. And anybody who wants personal tuitions or group tuitions from us, you can contact us on the given number. Subjects covered here are political science, economics, and business studies. The number is 9891203546. All the best for your first term students. Take care.